Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to connect Fire TV Stick to Wi-Fi without the remote. Alright, let's begin. If your Fire TV Stick is not connected to Wi-Fi and you don't have the remote, there are two main ways to fix it. The first method is to trick your Fire TV into connecting. Simply change the name and password of your current Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot to match the previous Wi-Fi the Fire TV was connected to. Turn on the hotspot with the updated name and password, then wait for a few minutes. The Fire TV Stick should automatically connect. If it doesn't, turn the Fire TV Stick off and back on to trigger a new connection. Once connected, you can control your Fire TV Stick using the Amazon Fire TV app on another mobile device connected to the same Wi-Fi. This app works like a remote, letting you navigate and control your TV without the physical remote. The second method is to use wired internet by connecting your Fire TV Stick via Ethernet. This gives instant access to the internet and works if the first method fails or you never connected to Wi-Fi before. So that's basically how you can connect Fire TV Stick to Wi-Fi without remote. That's it for this video. Thanks.